when you're looking out to use two body lotions to brighten or lighten your skin, you need to look out for lotions that contains two separate ingredients that aligns with your skin concern and your skin tone.
Hold me close till I get up.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? If this is your first time, hi, my name is Sunita, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to this very one. So for some time now, I've been getting a couple of questions from you guys, ranging from my Instagram, YouTube, down to my Facebook. When I noticed that this thing is really getting serious was when a very close acquaintance asked me the same questions. Is it proper to use two body lotions? Because this is the trend now. Like, for some reasons, I don't know. Maybe it has been there, but in this 2023, especially from like 4 months ago, it's been like a trend. People asking, people wanting to know, a lot of people making videos about it. So now the question is it proper to use two body lotions in terms of brightening or lightening your skin? And if yes, what is the best lotion combo to actually use when you're intending to use two body lotions? Because there are ingredients you should look out for in this lotion. You shouldn't use a lotion that contains similar ingredients, or if you're going to use advanced clinicals in the morning and then Medix 5.5 vitamin C turmeric 1 in the evening, that's more like you're repeating the same process. So it's more like a waste of money, because of course these two lotions are very expensive, contain similar ingredients. So if you have to use two body lotions, I'm going to be telling you best two body lotions combo that you should look out for when you're intending to brighten your skin. I don't know if that makes any sense. Now, first of all, I'm going to be telling you ingredients you should look out for in two separate body lotion that you are intending to use. So when you're looking out to brighten your skin, the very first lotion you obviously would need is a brightening body lotion. The second one is a hydrating or moisturizing body lotions. And what should your brightening lotion contain? What ingredients should your brightening body lotion contain? Number one, you should look out for a brightening body lotion that contains niacinamide, vitamin C, and AHA. Again, you should look out for brightening body lotions that contains niacinamide, vitamin C, or alpha hydroxy acid, which is known as AHA. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to be telling you how you're going to use these two different lotions, like the best time to use them and how to actually use them. And now your hydrating or moisturizing body lotion should contain glycerin, aloe vera, hyaluronic acid, because hyaluronic acid is best known for moisturization and hydration of the skin. Shea butter, argan oil, or ceramide, all those like hydrating ingredients that should be infused into a body lotion that is meant to hydrate the skin. You already know the ingredients to look out for in a hydrating body lotion. Now, what should you look out for in a lightening body lotion? This video is not for people who wants to use two body lotions to lighten up. It's just tailored to people who wants to use two body lotions to hydrate as well as brighten their skin. So if you want to see that video, let me know down in the comment section, and I'm definitely going to film it. So without further ado, let's delve straight to the lotions you can actually use, like the best combo that I have listed out that you should look out for, or that you should go buying in case you're looking out to, brighten your skin. So yeah, you guys, please ignore any noise in the background. The very first brightening lotion I have here is Skin Success. Now, Skin Success contains niacinamide. Now, remember when I said when you're looking out to brighten your skin, you need two separate body lotions. One should be a brightening lotion, the other one should be a moisturizing body lotion. Now, for the first brightening lotion that you obviously would need is Skin Success, and Skin Success contains niacinamide and is targeted for dark spot, blemishes, and scars on the body. I mostly recommend this particular lotion to people who has like bleach damaged skin that do not know what kind of cream to actually use. Skin Success corrects every form of blemishes, and now I feel like to a large extent a lot of people tend to underrate this particular lotion, maybe because it does not lighten the skin. Have it at the back of your mind that most times it's not even just about lightening your skin. What would you now use to pop your skin? Because of course when you lighten your skin, you obviously will want it to glow. Now, brightening is more like you glowing your skin and enhancing your skin tone. If you're dark, you can still brighten up. That's what we are particular about. Skin Success enhances your skin tone and then makes it glow effortlessly without leaving you with any form of blemishes, reaction, or a reverse effect. You can use it both morning and night. So for the very next lotion on my list here is the Aveno Daily Moisturizer. This contains glycerin. Remember, when you're looking for a moisturizing body lotion, you should look out for lotions that contains hyaluronic acid, glycerin, ceramide, aloe vera, shea butter, argan oil, and any of those carrier oils that are targeted to moisturize or hydrate the skin. So this particular Aveno Daily Moisturizer contains glycerin that is very nice for people who has dry skin or who are looking out to hydrate their skin. Now, if you don't have a moisturizing body lotion, please try and have one. Or better still, it should be that your either your shower gel is a hydrating shower gel, because hydration is very important. It makes you wrinkle free. Like lotions that are targeted to hydrate the skin are lotions that are very good for anti-aging, because some of these lotions contains anti-aging ingredients. Now, when you look at some people, you see that their eyes, they have started to develop wrinkles around their eye area. Retinol and hyaluronic acid are very good to tackle premature aging, which is why I mostly recommend for people who are in their early 30s going to their 40s and even in their 50s, because you can still be 50 and look 20. It all depends on how you take care of yourself or your body. So let's say you don't like these lotions, or maybe you want to have options to play around with, because most times I don't like talking about only two lotions or a particular body lotion. I like giving out options for people who want to actually have options to play around with, because most times you go into your nearest store, you might not find certain lotions and you will want to opt for something else that is very nice. I highly recommend Dr. Teal's. Dr. Teal's is also very nice for people who are looking out to brighten the skin and hydrate their skin at the same time. This lotion, I feel like it's a 2-in-1 lotion, because it hydrates the skin. It contains vitamin C that helps to brighten the skin, and it also has other oils that are infused into it that helps to also hydrate the skin. So in case for people who do not have money to have two body lotions, like two separate two body lotions at the same time, you can also just opt in for the Dr. Teal's, because yes, it does the hydration and the brightening at the same time. It's almost, in fact, all of these lotions I've listed, they are lotions that you can actually use together when it comes to hydration and brightening the skin. Now, another lotion I highly recommend is the Advanced Clinicals. That also is a very nice lotion. It brightens the skin and hydrates the skin at the same time. We also have St. Ives. St. Ives is also very nice. All of these lotions I'm listing out, they are lotions that are majorly tailored for people with major skin concern, or for people who just want to brighten and hydrate their skin at the same time. So you don't have to worry about, oh, okay, what if I don't have money to get this lotion? We have Lactin. Lactin too, you can actually use it alongside another body lotion. Now, as for people who want to know when is the best time to actually use a brightening body lotion and a hydrating body lotion, of course, as it implies, hydrations or hydrating body lotion are best to be used in the morning, while the brightening body lotions are best to be used at night. Why? Because these brightening body lotions or hydrating body lotions do not contain anything that will make the sun burn your skin. Instead, it has ingredients infused into them that will help shield you from the UV rays of the sun. When you're back from your daily hustle and you're tired, you obviously would need a brightening lotions. Why? Because you are already exposed to sunlight, and it has almost like you're tired and you're worn out. You want to wake up in the morning feeling refreshed and brand new. So brightening lotions comes in the evening when you're already done with your day-to-day activity, or daily activity, your daily runs or errands. Then you just need to use a brightening body lotion. This way you're resting and your body is absorbing whatever it is that you have applied on it. Your skin is absorbing it, because brightening lotion contains brightening properties. Some of these ingredients in a brightening lotion do not align with sunlight, so which is why you want to use your brightening body lotions at night or in the evening, or maybe if you're not going out. Okay, now majority of these lotions has SPF. In fact, all of these lotions I've listed out has SPF. A lot of people ask me, can I use a body lotion that contains SPF at night? Obviously, the fact that it contains SPF does not stop you or does not limit you from using it at night. Okay, you're not just limited to use it only during the day. You can also use it at night. I hope this video has been helpful in a way. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Follow me on Instagram with the handle on your screen. If you have any business idea, or like you have any collaboration or something you want to share with me, come to Instagram, we'll talk about it. And you guys, I want to clear a notion here, right? When you're coming to me for recommendation, the first thing you should send to me your skin type, what you have been using, and your skin concern. There are three different things here: what you're currently using, your skin type, and your skin concern. When I say skin concern, do you have like maybe dark knuckles, dark feet, hyperpigmentation, discoloration? Are you battling with dark spot or acne breakout? What is your skin concern? Secondly, your skin type. Are you sensitive, normal, to dry skin? Are you do you have a combination skin? What's your skin type? If you don't know your skin type, you just tell me you don't know your skin type, and even if I want to recommend, I'll recommend something with that is meant for all skin type. That way you stay on the safer side instead of just coming to tell me, oh, what lotion can I use? The truth is, I'm not actually obligated to leaving my channel to talk to people outside this channel. All right, if I have to answer you, that's just me going out of my way to answer you, because normally I charge for recommendation. If you need me to recommend something, I will obviously charge, because I need to do a follow-up to ensure that it's actually working. If not, we change to something else, or I recommend you to something else. Okay, because yeah, as much as lotions are good, I review lotions that are nice, I still in a way know that people's skin type differs. I know that people's skin type differs, so no matter how good a lotion might be on the other person, it might not be good on this other person. So which is why I don't generalize it. I would not say, oh, this lotion is 100%, because something that is good on me might not be good on you. So when you're coming to me for recommendation, bear at the back of your mind that I charge for recommendation. But if I have to do it, please help me to help you. Okay, that being said, I hope this video wasn't too long. If you've not subscribed, again, subscribe to this channel and let me know what you want to see next in my other video, and I'll have it filmed. Okay, if you want us to have a Q&A, please just let me know. We're on 7,000 plus now. Let me know if you want to see Q&A here. Okay, yeah, I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.